The World Bank has confirmed that Hurricane Melissa has delivered a catastrophic blow to the Jamaican economy. As we hear in this report, physical damage is estimated at almost $9 billion. The devastation from Hurricane Melissa is still being calculated. But based on a preliminary estimate from the World Bank,
the total cost of damage is estimated at $8.8 billion, which is 41% of the gross domestic product of Jamaica in 2024. As I said, this number assumes only physical damage. The economic damage will, of course, be also large, and often from our experience, it's even larger than the physical damage.
Here's the breakdown. Residential damage, $3.7 billion. Non-residential, $1.8 billion. Infrastructure, $2.9 billion. Agriculture, $389 million. Emphasis now is on rebuilding. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness announced that container homes will form part of the process.
The plan is for, in the initial phase, for the NHD to purchase 5,000 container homes. And those will be, some of them will be for sale. So with a program with the NHD, you will be able to purchase. Some of them will be used to build housing schemes, which you can purchase, and a portion of them will be made available through social housing.
The procurement process has begun, and some container homes are expected to arrive in late January. In the interim, there will be shelter repair kits,
heavy-duty tarpaulins, and those kinds of solutions, in addition to the rebuilding, the actual putting on roofs and so forth.
An assessment is also being finalized to determine the amount and categories for rebuilding grants. In the meantime, government is moving to speed up approvals for the tourism sector.
All of those parish councils and all the other entities that are responsible for permitting and approvals, for them to create a fast-track committee to give approvals to all the hotels that are deciding and are now in the process of rebuilding. Minister Mackenzie is telling me that they met on Friday, that there is general agreement, and the logistics of how that will be done. I'm expecting that by Monday we'll have a report. And I say to the tourism sector, get ready. I suspect you are already, but we are here to support you to get back on your feet bigger and better. We want to get the tourism sector moving. This same principle will be applied to other businesses. But what we want to do is just to get the tourism stuff out of the way, because that's quick. And then we will apply that same principle.